Webull stock is red today, but let me tell you where I'm going to buy. But before I make my prediction, first of all, on the day, we are at a high of 1564 and a low of 1493. So first of all, we don't have any major reports coming out tomorrow, so that's not really going to affect this. Our current sentiment is the earnings report. That's on Thursday, and people think it's going to be good. So every time this does sell off, I think it's going to be coming back all the way up until the earnings. So definitely makes it a little bit easier to trade, but if we get into the fundamentals of this, first of all, today we pulled back a decent amount and we closed pretty low on the day right before aftermarket hours started coming back up a little bit. But this kind of does indicate a loss of confidence. First of all, in the 4-hour RSI, the RSI looks good. We're not overpriced. We're not oversold. So that really can go off of that. We had one red day so far, pulled back 2.73%. The good news is we did not break support from the previous day because we had that big run up on Friday. We did not break the support and we actually broke the resistance, even though it was a little bit. I think what happened was people, once it broke that resistance, people thought it was overpriced due to Friday's big run up. Really, other than that, there's not really anything else. So we kind of have to wait for tomorrow and see. But for my prediction, since we didn't break support and we did break this, I am going to buy a little bit earlier on this support. This indicates to me that we are still uptrending. Pretty much this will be the oversold zone here. So anytime you're getting in closer to that $15 range, if you can get in right at 15 or below, this is the oversold zone. The overpriced zone is right here. Anything 1564 and above is considered overpriced at this point. Everything in the middle is neutral. So the closer you can get into the bottom, the better off you're going to be on a day trade. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to wait for this to break. I'm going to get in closer to like 1505, 1510 and try to run this up closer to this point. But if you like, comment, subscribe, I will update you guys every single day and I'll make you aware of what this stock is doing. And don't forget, earnings is on Thursday. I will be updating you on what the current sentiment is. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.